You won't believe what we just found: the eggnog factory. Honestly, I didn't even know such a place existed. But the moment I stepped inside, I was blown away. The entire process, from farm to festive carton, is an impressive blend of tradition, technology, and taste. If you've ever wondered why this classic holiday drink is so smooth, creamy, and irresistible, buckle up. We're about to uncover the fascinating journey behind your favorite wintertime indulgence. It all begins with milk. But not just any milk. It comes from cows that are pampered like royalty. These dairy farms monitor everything from nutrition to hydration to comfort. Every detail is optimized, and when it's time for milking, gentle high-tech machines do the job efficiently and carefully. That fresh milk is then quickly loaded into massive refrigerated trucks to preserve freshness before heading to the factory. Once there, the milk undergoes pasteurization, a process that rapidly heats it to kill harmful bacteria and then cools it down again. This step keeps the flavor intact and the texture smooth. Then, the milk is standardized for fat content to ensure the final product is creamy without being too heavy. Only after these steps is the milk ready to meet the other superstar ingredients that make eggnog so rich. Now, let's talk about eggs. These aren't your average eggs, either. They're sourced from farms where hens are treated with care and fed balanced diets rich in nutrients that enhance the flavor and color of their yolks. Ever notice that festive yellow hue in your eggnog that comes directly from the hen's diet? And most factories prefer free-range eggs for their superior creaminess and consistency. These eggs are carefully cracked, the yolks separated, and then whisked at high speeds until they become a silky golden base for the eggnog. But you can't have sweetness without sugar. In modern factories, sugar often comes from sugar beets, which are trickier to process than sugarcane due to their lower natural sugar content. The beets are shredded, boiled in water, and then the juice is thickened and crystallized using centrifuges. The result is pure, clean, white sugar that adds sweetness and balance to the mix. And yes, it's quality tested at every stage. Next, we come to the essential step of homogenization. This is what gives eggnog its signature smooth texture. The milk, cream, egg yolks, and sugar are forced through high-pressure nozzles to break down fat molecules, ensuring nothing separates. Every sip is as luscious as the last. To ensure perfection, each batch is tested with precision instruments to check for consistency and thickness, creaminess, and flavor. Eggnog isn't just a drink, it's a tradition, with roots tracing back to a medieval English drink called posset. It was once a luxury enjoyed by the wealthy, made with wine or ale and curdled milk. Over time, the drink evolved, with eggs added for richness and cream for indulgence. In colonial America, it found its true form, where the abundance of dairy, eggs, and cheap rum made eggnog a holiday staple. Since then, it has become synonymous with celebration, family gatherings, and cozy winter evenings. Once blended and perfectly textured, the eggnog is ready for packaging. It's pumped into fully automated machines that fill each bottle or carton to exact measurements, seal them, and stamp them with freshness dates. Every bottle you pick up at the grocery store has been handled with care, sealed with precision, and checked for quality before it reaches you. But we're not done. Let's switch gears and talk about peanut butter, another favorite that makes its way into holiday treats. From cookies to creamy spreads, the process starts in peanut fields, where large machines gently dig up and turn over peanut plants. After drying in the sun, these peanuts are scooped up, cleaned, and separated from debris. Did you know China produces nearly 20 million tons of peanuts annually? That's a whole lot of potential peanut butter inside the peanut processing facility. The nuts go through a thorough cleaning and shelling process. Air pressure and vibration delicately remove the thin brown skins, while a boiling step sanitizes them and locks in flavor. Afterward, they're roasted, cooled, and ground into a thick, smooth paste. Through a high-pressure homogenization process, peanut butter reaches its final creamy texture. Then it's poured into jars, sealed tight and labeled for eager snackers like us, feeling like something a little sweeter. Let's dive into chocolate-covered peanuts. After roasting, the peanuts are rolled through chocolate coating machines that ensure an even, glossy finish. Once cooled and solidified, they're packaged in food-safe containers, ready for snacking. You can almost hear the crunch. Of course, no festive treat list is complete without ice cream. Americans consume a staggering 50 million pints daily, enough to fill over 9 Olympic-sized pools. Whether you love it on a cone, as a sundae, or beside your pie. Its creamy texture is the result of expert blending, freezing, and churning processes. From vanilla to rocky road, the variety keeps everyone coming back for more. Let's not forget about Taiwanese crackers, a snack celebrated for its simplicity and satisfying crunch. Made with just a few basic ingredients, these crackers manage to deliver explosive flavor and addictive texture. They come in a variety of forms, from crispy and airy to dense and crunchy. Some conspiracy theories have floated around about oil spraying, but when it comes to snacks, moderation and awareness are key. A little indulgence now and then, totally fine. Speaking of automated magic, juice bottling plants are a marvel of modern efficiency. Conveyor belts, high-speed fillers, and robotic arms work in perfect harmony to reduce waste and electricity consumption. Most of these setups require very few human operators, which makes the process not only efficient, but incredibly mesmerizing to watch. And about pineapples. Slicing them into perfect rings is no easy feat. If you've ever tried to do it by hand, you know how tricky it can be. Industrial slicers make it look effortless, delivering uniform rings every time without wasting a drop of juicy goodness. These are then canned, so you can enjoy a burst of tropical flavor any time of year. Back to the world of savory delights. Hamburger patties are surprisingly low in carbs, especially when made with pure beef, perfectly portioned. These protein-packed rounds are grilled to perfection before being frozen or packed for fast food chains and grocery stores. Every step is optimized for flavor and freshness. Let's not overlook dried apricots, nature's candy, packed with vitamins and antioxidants. They make for a sweet and nutritious snack. Whether in salads, granola, or just by the handful, they deliver flavor and nourishment in every bite. And strawberries? Thanks to canned fruit innovations, we get to enjoy their juicy sweetness year-round. These vibrant red berries are picked at peak ripeness, sealed and preserved to lock in flavor. From smoothies to toppings, they bring that summer vibe into any dish. Even the eggs you see in stores are part of a highly controlled and automated system. From advanced robotic scanners that monitor chicken health to conveyor belts that gently deliver eggs for inspection and disinfection, it's all incredibly precise. Only the best eggs make it through to become part of your breakfast, baking, or, yes, your eggnog. And while bottled juices and soft drinks often get a bad rap, not all are created equal. Some brands put real effort into avoiding preservatives and maintaining freshness. If you're short on time and choose convenience, that's okay. Just be mindful of what goes into your body and enjoy it in moderation. So whether it's eggnog, warming your holiday nights, peanut butter powering your mornings, or chocolate-covered nuts satisfying your afternoon cravings, the common thread is this: care, precision, and passion go into making these treats what they are. And knowing the story behind each bite, that just makes them taste even better. Thanks for sticking with us through this tasty tour. Now go. Grab yourself a glass of something delicious. You've earned it. Get ready to step into a world where robots roll, shape, and package our favorite sweet treats and fast food delights. From silky candies to mouth-watering nuggets, what happens behind the scenes might just blow your mind. Ever wondered how your favorite honey-flavored candies get their perfect texture or how KFC tenders remain so juicy. Stick around as we unravel the magic of modern food automation, where machines do most of the heavy lifting, and humans simply marvel at the process top here. Renowned robotic machines expertly release a smooth candy paste that's about to go through extensive kneading and refinement. Process more fascinating than you might imagine. After achieving a flawless texture, robotic rolling pins tirelessly knead the mixture, enhancing consistency with every pass. Each batch is carefully handled as it journeys through buttery sweet lanes, giving us a closer look at one of the most popular treats, honey-flavored candies. Initially runny, the mixture slowly transforms into a stickier, chewier substance thanks to the power of kneading. Then, a rolling spinner buffs the mixture into a silky, flawless candy base that melts effortlessly in your mouth. Modern machinery does more than just speed up the process. It ensures every piece is perfectly shaped, uniformly smoothed, and ready. For your enjoyment, these advanced machines allow for incredible consistency, offering that signature melt-in-your-mouth experience every single time. Just like people, candies come in all kinds of flavors to suit every palate. Crafted with human diversity in mind, long gone are the days of hand-mixing candy on a nail-pinned board. You might have come across nostalgic reels showcasing such traditional methods, but today, things are sleeker and far more efficient. Watch as the colors of these candies evolve from bright red to a delicate pink hue, signaling they're ready to be packed, with all 4 candy flavors prepped and perfected. They head to the multi-packing station, where batches are expertly sealed, ensuring that kids and adults alike can savor each delicious variety. Following the era of hard candies, we step into the delicious realm of chocolate and soft candies. These are crafted with refined cocoa powder and milk, which are continuously kneaded to eliminate any lumps. Specially designed rollers then imprint beautiful patterns onto each candy, creating not just a treat, but a visual delight. Once shaped, the candies are promptly wrapped and packed with care. You can almost taste the silky texture just by watching now. Let's move on to a juicy favorite, gummies. These colorful, chewy snacks are made using real fruit nectar, giving them an authentic, fruity flavor. A small dose of sugar enhances their sweetness, making them as delicious as they are eye-catching. Carefully selected colors and designs ensure each gummy stands out in stores, appealing to candy lovers young and old. Crafted with the same high standards that made Jelly Belly jelly beans famous, these gummies offer bold, genuine flavors that taste just like real fruits. That slightly hard outer layer gives way to an explosion of sweetness the moment you bite into them. Production gets even more high-tech with robotic arms applying finishes to colorless jelly beans inside specialized drums. The exact color is added on-site to give them that shiny, juicy glow we all love. From tiny packets to large bulk boxes, machines do it all, quickly and efficiently. Packaging robots seal products with precision, keeping everything fresh until it reaches your hands. Next up are mini Belgian waffles. Known for their fluffy interiors and crisp exteriors, they are a dream for any dessert lover. Whether topped with syrup, fruit, or whipped cream, these waffles bring a luxurious touch to breakfast or dessert. Thanks to yeast leavened batter and temperature-controlled baking, each waffle is perfectly golden and mouth-wateringly delicious. On a lazier day, nothing hits the spot like a frozen pizza. The journey starts with automated dough mixers shaping the dough into consistent balls. Signature sauces and spices are prepared separately, then carefully spread across the dough base. Machines inspect the consistency of cheese, shred it, and distribute it evenly across the surface, ensuring each slice delivers a perfect, cheesy bite. Topped with hand-picked ingredients, these pizzas are flash-frozen and ready for the oven. For those quick cravings, then there are donut cakes. Humans can't whip out dozens per minute, but robots sure can. These automated marvels apply a creamy glaze layer and dip each donut into rich, velvety chocolate. After a short rest, to let the chocolate firm up, the donuts are packed while maintaining their perfect quality and texture. Each bite is as heavenly as the first. And who could forget KFC tenders? Our journey begins at a US-based poultry farm known for its pristine conditions. These barns aren't just places where chickens are raised there thoughtfully. Designed environments that prioritize animal welfare. Automatic dispensers provide clean water around the clock. And chickens are allowed to roam freely, leading to healthier and tastier meat once they're ready for processing. A fleet of gentle machines collects the chickens, placing them into safety-engineered crates for a stress-free journey. Upon arrival at the processing plant, conveyor belts and experienced handlers ensure that the chickens are treated with the utmost care. The stunning machine renders the chickens unconscious painlessly, emphasizing humane treatment every step of the way. Feathers are removed, feet separated, and internal parts cleaned out through automated systems. High-pressure water jets ensure the chickens are free from blood and impurities. Then, the breast pieces perfect for KFC's world-famous tenders are separated with surgical precision using specialized machines. Skin is stripped using abrasive rollers to guarantee the clean, lean cuts customers expect. Drum rollers then tenderize the meat, locking in moisture and elevating that juicy texture we all crave. The pieces are hand-checked on conveyor belts to ensure safety and quality, then sprayed with a cleansing solution to eliminate bacteria. A flour coating is applied, providing that irresistible crunch when fried. And finally, they're partially fried to seal in the flavor. Let's not leave out cheese cubes, those bite-sized blocks of bliss. These gooey treats are coated in batter and passed through a bed of breadcrumbs. Automated machines guarantee every cube gets an even coating. By eliminating inconsistencies, this automation ensures you get the same melty, crispy experience every time. Large-scale production meets gourmet taste in a process that's as mesmerizing as the snacks themselves. And now, burger patties, able to handle 1,500 liters of meat mix at a time. These machines are built for high demand. The result? More than 100,000 patties per day. Each one is shaped, seared, and packaged with mechanical precision. As for those crispy nuggets that everyone loves, they're fried to about 70% doneness at the factory. So all they need is a quick heat up before landing in your meal. Two types of nuggets are made here, both equally irresistible. Automation here doesn't mean cold or impersonal, it means your food is consistently great every single time. With every bite, you can taste the balance between cutting-edge engineering and culinary delight. So next time you're enjoying your favorite candy, pizza, or chicken nuggets, remember there's a world of high-tech wonder working behind the scenes to make that perfect bite just for you.